Do you want to know how you can delete Netflix from your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you 2 ways how you can uninstall or delete Netflix from your phone. Go ahead and search for Netflix and tap on it. Now, you can click uninstall, press OK, and the Netflix app will be uninstalled from your phone. The second step is to go to Netflix, tap on it, go to its settings, and you can see the uninstall button on the bottom of your screen. Tap on uninstall, and then press OK. This way, you can notice that Netflix has been uninstalled from your device. I hope this video about how you can delete or uninstall Netflix from your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.